Evening, folks. We're live at 9:04, and we are running a 3-winner mini for Brad's AFA Hollow Cheeks. I got 20 spots here, and I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Paste them in there. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 6. So we're good for some action here, guys. Top 3, again, win spots in a main. Steve and Don, round 1. Sam and Tony, round 2. Steve and Christopher, round 3. Don, Stephen, and Don, round 4. Josh, Tony, and Stephen, round 5. And our winners are Oleg, Christopher, and Oleg. Congratulations, fellas. Here's the verification and official results. MZBBFZ, Oleg, Christopher, and Oleg. We're done. At 9:05. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thank you.